Hey people, Fuad here, and today I'll show you how you can make homemade bird food. For that, you will need 2 teaspoons of regular bird seeds, 1 teaspoon of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of carrots, 1 teaspoon of honey, and you will need some water. To begin with, put all the dried ingredients in a bowl. So at first, put the seeds in the flour, and then you need to begin to stir well, and then you need to put the carrots. Mix well, and then add a little bit of water. After mixing, I added 2 teaspoons. Make sure the mixture is not so dry. It has to be a bit sticky. And then you need to put some honey. I put 1 teaspoon only. That's enough. And again, it has to be a bit sticky. If it's too dry, just add a little pinch of water. Little drops. You need to stir well. And then you need to roll them into small balls and put it on the plate. And then put it in the oven. And you need to heat it for 20 seconds. After your heating is done, flip the food. And then you need to heat it for another 20 seconds. And there you have it.